guys, it's me. This is my Echo SRN 2601. So this machine is about 30 years old and bought it brand new, and I used it commercially for years. It originally had a blade on it, but I of course used it and abused it and threw it away. So I had to come up with a cheap alternative to get another one, because to buy one from the manufacturer is like, it's like $80. It's stupid. So this is a blade from my circular saw that I cleaned it up a little bit with the wire wheel, and you know, I figured out how to make it fit. It's pretty simple, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. First thing we got to do here is pop this sucker off by using a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a hole in here. Shove it in just like that, and then this is a reverse thread, so you tighten it, pull it off. Ta-da! So yesterday I went to the hardware store and I got this little nylon ring here, and that takes up this little extra space in here so that this will sit flush on the machine, because originally from the manufacturer it was machined to this diameter, which it's not. But this is a little bit too big, or a little too small rather, so I'm gonna choose to probably just do this with this step bit, you know, to clearance it. But more than likely I can tell already that I'm going to get impatient and I'm going to go to the Milwaukee. Sweet. It's a little tight, which I want. And it's important to remember when you put this blade on that because you're mounting it upside down, you gotta flip it over and mount it backwards, because this machine spins counterclockwise. Right? See, I just put it on upside down. Perfect. So then you put the retainer on and the bolt. That's it. Oh, see? Reverse thread. Loosen is tighten. Bam. So there you have it. You let that stop spinning for safety reasons, of course. $0.69. A little bit of brain power. 10 minutes of time. Done. Now I've got 3 hours of work ahead of me. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw here, hit the like button. If you like it even more than that, subscribe. I'm growing little by little. I do goofy stuff like this all the time. And, you know, it's been a simple thing. My daughter said to me, Dad, you know, you should start recording. So I have. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.